I see the beauty shining in your eyes.
Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday, my first video of the year. Happy New Year, you guys. I have a flight to catch tonight. I will be catching the red eye out to Chicago to go to my truck. Anyways, I just want to come on here and start the video off, letting you guys know what I have going on. I have to do a lot of prep work to get ready to leave. I promised myself I wasn't going to wait till the last minute, and I waited till the last minute. My flight leaves at midnight and I get to Chicago at like 6 a.m. So I gotta try to do laundry, clean up, pack. Ooh, MyKie with the angles. I'm finally up and out of bed. My laundry is done. Well, it's in the dryer now. Now I have to go to Walmart, get a few things. I need to go and try to find some winter boots. So I might check Walmart, might check Target. So my flight's set to land at 6 a.m. in Chicago. However, they're supposed to be getting a snowstorm. So I'm hoping that my flight doesn't get canceled, because that would suck. I stopped by Dunkin' Donuts and I got an avocado toast and a coffee, and they burnt my toast. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food and I will check back in with you guys later. So my flight's been delayed already. It's delayed an hour. Like as soon as I got here, I got the text. And it was like, your flight's delayed. Oh man. And it's so cold. I did not think this through. It was so just chaotic because my bag, it had to be less than 50 pounds. And I tried to put it on the, that's on my way. I tried to put it on my bathroom scale and it said it's like 55 pounds. So I started taking stuff out and it was hard, man. It was hard because I'm like, rude. Because I'm like, what do I take out? I need everything. So I took out some jeans, I took out some sweatpants, I took out some jackets, like a total idiot. And I'm like, I'm already cold and I'm still in Vegas. I have not made it to Chicago yet, where it's snowing. What can you do? I'm just gonna take it in stride. I hope that they have the heater on the plane. What time is it? It's 12:24 a.m. My flight was supposed to depart. My flight was supposed to depart at 12:30 a.m. But they pushed it back to 1:15 a.m. guys, so I made it to the truck. It's very cold, very snowy, very cold. Did I say that already? Because it's very cold. Yeah, so I probably won't be heading out until tomorrow, which is fine by me because a lot of this stuff should be melted by then. You know, it's not supposed to snow tonight or tomorrow. It's going to be sunny tomorrow, so hopefully by the time I leave, a lot of the stuff is melted and done away because it's kind of just a slushy mess. But yeah, landed safe and sound. The flight was cool, no problems. I pretty much slept the entire time. Yeah, except they had the AC on, and oh my gosh, that's really annoying. But what can you do? And yeah, so that's gonna end it for today. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's gonna end today's vlog. So I will catch up with you guys tomorrow when I get my load and figure out where I'm going. Okay, you guys, so I just got backed into my door. You can't really see, but I got back into my door and it is so cold. It's so cold. It says that it's 7 degrees outside. I'm in Kenosha, Wisconsin. It says that it's 7 degrees outside, but feels like -7 because of wind chill. Well, guys, it's dark and you can barely see me, but if it's not one thing, it's literally another. Okay, so I got loaded and I have an airbag leak on the driver's side. The broker calls and they're like, take the load back, get unloaded, it's a hot load, it needs to be shipped out today, blah blah blah, XYZ. You guys, it is 6:18 in the evening. It sucks. I'm gonna lose out on the load. I don't know. We'll see. It's 6:18 in the evening. Okay. This load needed to be shipped out by 5. I picked it up at 4:30. So either way it goes, that's out. But yeah, so I'm back here at the shipper. Gonna tell them to unload me and see what else we can find. It sucks. It sucks. It sucks. God, it sucks. It's always something. We'll see how this goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so update. The broker ended up calling and actually saying that they wanted me to take the load because they couldn't find anyone else to cover it. Go figure, because like I said, it was already 6 p.m. and there was no way they were going to find anybody else to take a load that late in the day. So here I am going to Reno.
Your work pickup or?
A delivery.
Gotcha. Alrighty, you been here before?
No.
No? Alright, so what I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna go all the way down to the end, hang a left, you'll end up on the other side of the building.
Okay.
You're gonna break the seal, just throw it in the back, open the doors, slide your tandems, and then you'll drop it in door 24, okay?
Okay.
Once you drop it in door 24 though, you're gonna come back to this side of the building, go down to door 43 to check in with the office. They'll get your phone number from you and call you when you're ready.
Okay.
And again, I just to remind you, shift changes between 3:30 and 4. So if no one's in there when you go check in, try around 4.
Guys, gotta go open up the doors. That's what we're gonna go do. It's empty here. It's super empty. So yeah, let's open these doors. So take my seal. Oh, got it. gotta slide our tandems now.